The MAIWO dual M.2 NVMe enclosure lets you run two high-performance solid-state drives in a compact, travel-friendly housing that feels solid and well-built in the hand. Its support for multiple RAID modes, including striped and mirrored setups, makes it flexible enough for both speed-focused workflows and safer redundant storage. The fast USB 3.2 generation 2x2 Type-C connection delivers 20 gigabit per second bandwidth, so large game libraries or project files move noticeably faster than with older enclosures. With room for up to 8 terabytes spread across two M.2 NVMe drives, it is a practical way to consolidate scattered storage into one tidy external unit. Tool-free, driver-free installation means you can drop in drives and be up and running within minutes on most modern operating systems. Overall, it is a strong choice for power users who want desktop-class NVMe performance and RAID versatility in a portable external enclosure.